And welcome back once again, y'all. You've been asking what the deer do in this cold weather and the snow. Well, they have finally emerged. I know they've been pretty much hiding and especially hiding out under thick brush and bedded up in deep grass and things like that. But now that the temperature's up to about 30, and there's still 3-4 inches of snow on the ground, they have decided to come on out. So you've got this buck right here that's hanging out. And then if you look very carefully there's Neely and one of the does on the porch. Kind of hard to see past the chairs and the some of the ornaments hanging out here. But yeah, Neely sees us there. There he is. He is one messed up rag buck. But anyway, back to the big buck out there. That's a nice boy now, I'm telling you. This is one I showed you a few days ago, and he is apparently traveling with them. This is middle of January, and so I'm guessing that their rut or breeding season, for those of you that don't know, is practically over. You may have a few of the females, the does, that have not been bred yet, but apparently that one has right there, and they always stop right behind a post because she's not running from him. Now, if we look a little closer, there's Neely. He's at the porch. And so we got a couple of more there. Look, there's a little Sleepy right there. We've been spotted, and they're just looking around trying to see what's going on. They're happy to have some food. I don't know what got them started, but there goes the big one out the gate. So yeah, they're starting to move around again. Temperature's warmed up, and they've thawed out pretty well, but deer actually are survivors in extremely bad weather. They can make it through hot and cold, and they just know how to cool off. So they don't appear to be very afraid right now. I think they're more hungry than they are anything. So yeah, that Neely, I started mentioning that a couple of days ago in the video when the deer suddenly took off. But that tall antler, he actually lost last March or something. It actually shed for the first time in years and years since he was hit by a car probably 8 years ago, or some kind of vehicle hit him, because he had a lot of damage, done to his knee. That's why he's named Neely. But he's a pretty sweet boy after all. That shorter antler on the left, he has never shed it since then. He did do damage to his male organs, which has prevented him from any of the fun activities that the rest of the boys enjoy this time of the year with the girls. So he's just kind of neutral. He fits in. He's no threat, and he doesn't give off the pheromones, nor is he really attracted to the does. So he's pretty much a stag buck, as I've heard him referred to before. But I think he's going to hang out here for a little while. And I may just be getting my new Christmas toy out here shortly and see where they go out in the woods, if I can find them again. But yeah, I got a drone for Christmas, and I've been learning to fly it and just having a blast with it. So I may be taking it out as soon as they leave. I'm not going to just take it out there and try to spook them or stress them out. We definitely don't want to do that. We want to stay far enough away from them where they're not harmed in any way. We just want to observe, just like we're doing right here. We don't hunt deer. I do go to the woods, and I enjoy filming them out in the wild as well too. So anyway, it looks like they're going to be fine now, so we don't have to worry about them. And if anything else comes up, I will keep you guys posted. Until next time, we'll see you later.